Are you out there and you want to just simply get traffic to your CPA marketing offers by using a paid traffic method? I'm going to show you how you can do just that in today's video and go on to making similar amount to how I'm making right here. So do stick on, watch this video to the end, learn this simple strategy, as I'm actually going to be showing you a very cool paid traffic method you could use to make money with CPA marketing. If you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. And if you do like such content, make sure you do go on to scroll into my channel, check out the videos because they could be helpful to you. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is turned on all so that I do alert you whenever I do post much more amazing videos that could be helpful to you in earning extra income online. So diving right back into today's video, firstly, you want to make sure you are registered for a CPA marketing platform, and I'm going to be using CPAGRIP right here. If you don't have an account, click on register, be brought to this page and fill out this form by providing your basic details. Basically, you want to focus on the fields having these red asterisk signs, and once you do that and fill out all those sections, you could read through the terms of services and check these boxes to actually agree to the terms of service. And once you do that, you can then just simply get your account created by clicking on register now. And once your account has been created, you can then go on to logging into your account. So guys, you can actually see right now I'm logged into my account and I want to just simply go into selecting offers to promote. If you want to get to this page, come right here to this section, click on offer tools, of which this drop down list will be shown to you. Select my offers and you'll be able to be brought to a page that will look similar to this. You can filter the offers to any country of your choice, like top tier countries, maybe the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and a lot more other countries right there. So you can select any country which you want to promote your offers to. Right now I'm promoting my offers to the United Kingdom. So you can actually see a lot of United Kingdom offers right here. You can actually keep on scrolling through and you'll be able to see some cool offers right now. So if I do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see amazing offers. If I do click on this, you can actually see that this is a cool offer that actually offers an iPhone 14 giveaway to your leads. And you can see right now that the offer is an Android offer, also a pin submit offer. This actually means that your lead needs to be using an Android device to submit their pin, which is their phone number, while going through a survey using this your unique affiliate link, and they need to come from the United Kingdom for you to get paid 51 cents for every successful lead which you do get to that particular offer. So this is actually an amazing one right here. If you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see lots of cool offers. This one right here is for you to go into spinning to earn up to 500 spin, and you can actually win some cool prizes right now. It's also an Android offer and pin submit offer. You can actually keep on scrolling through and you'll be able to see more kinds of offers. So basically I do prefer selecting such kinds of offers which are kind of giveaway offers right there. You can see right now this is actually a cool one right now. So if you do go on to selecting some cool giveaway offers, you can actually go on to using that to get traffic to your CPA marketing offer. This one right here is for you to actually go on to winning a 500 euros voucher or of your choice, and you actually have to be using an Apple iOS devices. That is, your leads actually have to be using an Apple iOS devices to submit their email and zip code while going through a survey using this link right here, and you do get paid $3.16 for each and every lead that does that right now from the United States using your unique affiliate link. Now to promote this offer, you want to copy the link and you want to just simply head on to a link short now website, such as this platform right here called the tinyurl.com. So if I come right here, paste in that CPA marketing link and click on shorten, the URL will be shortened right now, which if I do copy, I'm going to head onto this platform called Linktree to actually utilize Linktree as a landing page. And right now guys, you can actually go into creating a simple Linktree account right here for absolutely free, just by inserting the nickname or username you want to use right now, and do click on claim your Linktree, and you do get to create an account for absolutely free using your email address. So if you do go on to logging into your Linktree account, like I am logged in right now, you can see I'm promoting some cool gift card offers right now, giveaway offers. These are actually quite amazing. As you can see, the offers, this one right here is for Apple iOS device, this is for desktop users, and this is actually for Android users. You will also see similar thing for this other offer right now, So to add an offer, click on add link, and you want to just simply paste in the URL, which is the shortened URL from tinyurl.com. Click on add, and that will actually be added right now in a matter of a second right here. So once that has actually been added, as you can see right here, the next thing you want to do is to actually give this a title. And I'm going to head back to CPAGRIP and actually do copy this exact same title for the offer, head back to Linktree right now, and actually do go on to clicking on add right here or change that title. So once that has actually been changed, you'll be able to see that in this section. You can actually go into the appearance section right now, edit how you want your link tree to go on to looking like. Do that based on your preference, and once you're done, click on this particular share icon and simply click on copy to copy your link tree address. Next, you want to then just simply go on to promoting this particular Linktree link. But do notice that you can actually add in as many offers as you can to your Linktree link. So if you do add in as many offers, go on to promoting your Linktree using this particular website called the Rollerads. So with this platform right here, this is an amazing ad platform you can actually use to get traffic to your CPA marketing offers. And this is actually a paid ad platform. What you want to do right now is to sign up to this platform for free. And once you do log into your account, you can actually go on to funding your account right now. To fund your account, click on this particular section, and you can actually go on to topping up your balance via any of the payment method which will be available to you right there. Once you actually do that, come right here, click on new campaign, and if you do click on new campaign, make sure you do select the push notification right here, because I do prefer that. I'm just going to select the bid model as the cost per click. For the traffic preset, you can actually select the type of preset right here. Maybe if you don't want mobile sweepstake, if you want mobile utilities, you can just simply select any one of your choice right here, and make sure you do select one that is actually suitable to you. So you can actually once you're actually done selecting, you can actually come right here for the general section and input your campaign name. So I'm just going to put in something like sweepstake. So once I put in something like this, we say sweepstake. For the target URL, I'm going to paste my Linktree link right there. And right now, I'm just going to keep on scrolling through. For this creative section, you want to insert an image which says something related to giveaway. So you can actually go online, go onto Pixel's website, or you could actually go on to searching for normal giveaway on Google. So if I do search for giveaway images on Google, you can see a lot of images. So right now, you want to then just simply go on to downloading one. Supposing I do click on this particular image right now, I can then just simply go on to downloading this exact same image by right clicking on the image and just simply click on save image, and the image will be saved on my device right now if I do actually do this right here. So once that image has been downloaded, I'm just going to go back to Rollerads right now and actually upload that via this section. So you can see I've uploaded the image right now. I can then just simply click on crop. Once I do that right now, I can do the similar thing for the landscape section. I'm going to use that exact same image, but you can see right now it says the image is too small, which is why I'm just going to go on to selecting another image right now. So if I use this image right here, also right click on the image and save the image on my device right now. I'm just going to go back to that platform and actually go on to selecting that image. So you can see right now, guys, it still says the image is still small, but make sure you go on to getting a bigger image and utilizing that. Right now, you want to just simply put in a title right now. For this particular title, I could just simply add in something like grab a free gift card today. Right here in the description, I could just insert something like this right now. Own a free gift card today just by clicking this. And right now, you can actually see how it's actually going to look like in terms of your ads right now on Android devices. This is going to look like for the Windows devices and also for the Mac OS. Now you could go on to add in another creatives right now. And guys, it is quite more advisable you do add in at least 4 creatives right here, as that actually boosts in your chances of getting better income with this particular campaign. So for each creative, make sure you go on to using a different title from the previous, use a different text combination and a different image right now. Once you're done, come right here, select the country. Since I'm promoting offers to the United Kingdom, I'm just going to come right here and select United Kingdom. So once that has actually been selected, I'm just going to go on to selecting the traffic source right here, and I'm actually going to leave this on no proxy right now. For the regions and cities, you can actually select regions and cities which you want to target, but I'm going to leave that as it is because I want to target all regions and cities. And you want to come right here to this bid section, and in this bid section you're actually going to go on to setting how much you want to just simply going to be paying people per click. You can see right now it's actually on $0.07. I could actually go on to increasing that to $0.08. So once that has actually been inserted right here, guys, you can see the cost per click limit settings. You can actually do set that to your preference. Right here, guys, the custom bid, you can actually do go on to inserting that also by yourself right now. And you can actually do see the CPA optimization. The budget section, this is actually an important section you could take note of. In this section, guys, you want to insert the budget, which is the price you want to just simply use for your campaign daily. Supposing I want to use something like $10, I can insert that daily, and I want to just simply run this ad for, let me say, 12 days right now. I'm just going to multiply 10 times 12. That is actually going to be $120. If I put in that right now, I've set in my daily budget and my monthly budget for this particular campaign. Next, you want to select the traffic source, the age limit which you want to drive traffic to. I'm going to leave that on all ages, and you want to just simply fill out other sections based on your preference. For the devices right now, I'm going to leave this on all devices, as you can see right there. The operating system, also leave that on all devices right now. Once you're done, just simply come right here, click on I declare and guarantee that my campaign meets the quality guideline, and start your campaign right now. And once you do so, guys, your campaign is actually going to start, and this platform right here called Rollerads is actually going to go on to promoting these your CPA marketing offers, and you're actually going to be earning some cool cash doing so, because it's also going to go on to getting targeted traffic to the United Kingdom for you, where your CPA marketing offers is actually going to be promoted, and you're going to earn some cool cash with CPA marketing. And this is an amazing strategy which I do advise you take advantage of right now and make money online. If you do like such video, make sure you do smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ensure your notification bell is always turned on all. If you do have any question, leave that in the comment section below. See you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.